Wondering, what do you do now? You got the book, and what's your next course of action? You've got a few options. One option is really sink your teeth into the core, the middle of the book, where I start to give you more of that textbook feel and some plans and actions. Go to the sections that first resonate with you and to look at those actionable steps. That's one course. If you're like, I've got the bigger picture, I need to have more of a down and dirty and a quick, simple, go to the third section. The third section gives you that blueprint, and that is more of a checklist. Start here. Where are you at? Assess yourself, check. And again, and then find that area that you're like, no, this is not us. We've got a leak here. This is causing dehydration. That's where you sink your teeth into it. Your next option is to email me, pick up the phone, call me, and connect. Let's have a further discussion. To email and say, this is exactly where I know I'm at. This is where we need help. What would help from you look like? So those are some different ways that you can do it. I would also encourage you to share the book with your team. Share the textbook section. Share the whole book with your team. Have an open conversation to assess where are we at. We have other assessments that you can take as well. We've got the cultural environment assessment. We've got the trust assessment. So there's all kinds of ways that you can pick up and further start to diagnose where you at. You can dive in on your own. If you know that diving in your own is not going to create the execution, the implementation that you're looking for, that's when you do the reach out.